Hey, looking for a quality rollator walker? I got one for you here. First thing I want to show you is how easily it folds up. So this part right here, you just simply grab this whenever you're ready for fold up. You just push that, pull up, and look at that, and it folds right away. Really easy. Okay, so also, then when you're ready to expand again, you just click at this. It also has brakes, so it has these hand brakes here. You can see how one on each side. All this stuff is really easy to install. You put these wheels in. These wheels, by the way, are nice and big as well, so you can go over bumps, rocks, those kind of things. It's really easy to install. So these wheels come in. You can adjust this right here, how far they come out with this feature here. You also can adjust how high this goes with these as well. Now, one thing out of the box, you might find you don't see this brass button here. What you'll just need to do is just pull this up, have someone help you, pull this up until it's gonna come up. So if you don't see any brass, it's probably because it's down here. You just need to simply pull it up and you're good to go. Okay, also, you can have a bag. This bag comes with it as well that you can actually put stuff in, which is really, really nice. You can also sit in this as well. And so when you sit down in it, I would recommend just pulling these brakes so you don't slip, just like this, and then you're good to go. So now you can sit down in this very comfortably as well. So overall, I really like this. It rolls really easily. It's very light. You can store this away. You can adjust the height. You can adjust how far this comes out as well. The wheels are great. It's got brakes. So if you're in a situation where you're doing rehab or you're an elderly person, this is going to be a great rollator walker for you. I was given this return for review. Glad to have this.